I'm Morgan Farnell from Notepad Coffee, and today I'm going to be making a cold brew. The PuckPuck is an attachment for an AeroPress, except with it, you don't need the upper part of the AeroPress. This is the PuckPuck itself. This is the splash filter. This is the water and ice chamber. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take the filter and the filter cap and put the filter in it like this. Then I'm going to screw it onto the bottom of the AeroPress. I am using 38 grams of David Kim Sietza coffee. Now I'm going to put it into the AeroPress. Now I'm going to shake this around and put in the splash filter. It has to be flat so that the water serves out equally on all sides. Now I screw this on top, the PuckPuck. I screw the PuckPuck on top. And then screw on the water and ice chamber. Then I take the lid off and put in my 100 grams of ice. And my 400 grams of water. Now, I put the lid on. Now I put it on my decanter. Whoa. Yeah. It's pretty scary. Okay, this is what the PuckPuck app looks like. There is a drip counter and a brew guide. I think I'm going to use the drip counter. What I'm going to do is loosen the PuckPuck up so that the drips start to come out. Now I've got it dripping. I'm going to use the app to count the drops and see how many per minute there are going. This is about the right speed. You should note that. Now we're going to wait 2 to 3 hours for the water to drip through so we can make cold brew. After 2.5 to 3 hours of waiting, I finally got my finished cold brew. Thanks everyone for watching, and look out for Notepad Coffee.